Hey, Jim Padilla here. Thanks so much for taking the time to fill this out and give it the attention and intention that it deserves. Really put some time and effort into answering these questions to the best of your ability so that you're going to learn some things about yourself and we'll get a chance to really learn who you are and if you're a great fit and how we can help you, if we can help you, right? While you're doing that, let me just share with a quick minute here why this matters so much, right? We've got this crazy business, Gain the Edge, where we've got over 100 salespeople that work for us in our outsourced capacity, and we've been in the business of literally hiring, training, sourcing, and vetting top tier sales talent for decades. We've been doing it in a number of different environments, everything from door knockers to phone call centers to salespeople outbound and inbound in all sorts of shapes and sizes and colors. And we've gotten really, really good at arguably the best skill set that we provide. The thing we provide the best is sourcing top tier talent. And I watch people do it so ineffectively on a regular basis. And some of it is because people don't know how. A lot of times people just don't know what they don't know. And other times people are just so busy building a business, running, trying to make a difference, trying to change the world, serving your clients, growing and building and developing your mission. You just don't have time to give the effort and attention to sales professionals to be able to provide what's necessary for them to optimize and peak perform. And it begins with finding the right people to begin with. So many times we think it's just easy. There's so many salespeople out there, any old salesperson will do. I had a post in an online marketing group that I'm a part of just today with somebody who's a digital marketing agency, marketing expert, who posted looking for a salesperson and literally just slapped together an ad with some bullet points, threw it in a group. And it was just unappealing, unattractive, very unspecific. And it looked like just some afterthoughts thrown on a piece of paper. And I asked him, I said, look, you're a marketing agency. Is this how you would put an ad together to attract an ideal client who's going to pay you money? Of course he wouldn't, right? Because he wants people to put the thought, effort, and energy and attention to attracting an ideal client who's going to be able to do the work, be a good fit, to get the outcome, appreciate and benefit the outcome, and be able to invest in his services. Why wouldn't you take that same amount of effort and intention, energy, and focus in attracting the ideal sales professional for you and your company? Because all salespeople are not created equal. All salespeople are not great. There is no such thing as one salesperson who can rock in every single environment. Even if you can, you got the skill set to do it. Hey, I'm one of those people. I think I can sell just about anything anywhere. However, I'm not passionate about selling everything. Right? I'm not designed to want to sell everything. Everything doesn't matter to me the same. Therefore, I'm automatically going to be better in certain environments than I am in others. Better with certain products, certain marketplaces, certain skill sets, right? And you want to be able to fit the brand and the culture with the optimum skill set of a salesperson. And this is something, because we've been doing this for 25 years, sourcing and vetting top tier sales talent that's branded, customized, and ideally suited to fit you. We have been able to really unpack that and decode it. And that's what we're here to talk about. I'm tired of watching people hire the wrong people and put them in a situation where they can't succeed, right? As a sales pro, I've been in so many places where I literally got hired on a job. They give you a script and a bunch of leads and said, go to town. And you hoped for the best. And we don't want that. We want you to be able to put quality people in the right environment so that they can overachieve and want to do so because they're a perfect brand fit, customized to you. And the thing we do better than anything else, again, is sourcing and attracting those right people and aligning them to your brand, and then helping identify that they actually have the skill set necessary and acquired to do the job, along with the passion, the interest, and development that's required to be able to help you live out your mission. Right? And that's one of the things that I learned in my first 20 years of life, living on the streets and in foster care and an abusive environment, and even jail, because I had to spend an awful lot of time influencing my environment so that I could impact the people around me the way that I wanted to, because quite honestly, that was the only way I could survive. And by mastering this skill set, we've been able to really unpack it. And now we have learned how to actually optimize a brand assimilated situation. So we know how to help make sure that salespeople are ideally suited for your environment instead of just finding the best salesperson out there, quote unquote, and then putting him in an environment that may or may not be what's best for them. We want them to win because when they win, you win. And we actually live to serve and wow our sales team because we know in turn they wow our clients. And we want that same for you. We want your salespeople to show up, be so impressed with who you are because we've done the work and the diligence to select the right people so that they're on fire for you and what you're doing, which will then translate to how they show up representing your brand, serving your community and your marketplace. So really look forward to being able to serve you if this all works out and is a good fit. Please fill out everything here. Attention to detail. Fill it out. Give the right answers. Everything that makes there's no one way to answer it. There's the way that's going to be most truthful and impactful for you. So go ahead and give it that time and attention and fill them out completely. And then make sure you hit submit. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the other side when we can help you select your team.